Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to Fixify, the YouTube channel that teaches you all kinds of how-tos. In today's video, we are here looking at Wix.com, the all-in-one website builder. Now, Wix is an amazing website to use to make another website. It gives you so many different tutorials, it gives you so many different templates, it allows you to check in as a viewer and as a creator, it allows you to check in the normal web browser mode as well as the mobile mode. Now, Wix is an amazing site because you can really use it for whatever type of business or website you want to make, whether it's selling apparel, like in selling merchandise, making a web content creation platform, or anything like that. Now, I will be showing you the free version. You can make a website completely for free as well as publish it for free under the Wix.com domain. Now, we are going to go through and look at the pricing plans so that you can get the website, let's say, and make your own domain. We're going to come over here, the homepage, we're going to come over here and hit pricing. And here we go. So we have the combo, the unlimited, the pro, and the VIP. The combo for personal use is $16 a month, unlimited for $22 a month, pro for $27, and VIP for $45. This includes custom domains, free domains for up to a year. It removes all kinds of Wix ads, free SSL certification. It gives you a variety range of storage spacing from 2 all the way up to 100 gigabytes for photos and, let's say, videos. Video hours, so 30 an hour, 2 hours, and 5 hours. That's how specifically long videos you can have up on your site. Lead capture forms from 4 all the way to 75. Fields per form from 10 all the way up to 75. And then some of the higher priced ones, you can get ad vouchers, site booster apps, visitor analytics app, and for the bigger ones, you get the professional logo, social media logo files, and customer care for them all. Now, for the VIP section for $45 a month, you do get priority customer care. Now, again, these are quite a bit more money. However, Wix is definitely the cheapest version of a free website maker. But like I keep saying, you can make a website for free and publish it for free. You would just be using it under the Wix.com domain. Coming back over to the Wix homepage, and we're going to come here and hit Get Started. You're going to be able to sign up with your email and password, or you can sign up directly through your Google or your Facebook. Let's do that right now. Okay, here we go. It's going to bring you directly to this page. It says, let's bring your ideas to life. Answer some questions to get the best tools for what you're creating. Let's hit the Get Started. What kind of website are you creating? You can have an online store, a portfolio, a blog, a consultation, technology company, restaurant, or an event. Or you can come up here and search for your type of business. So we're going to put, let's say, content creation. Content developer, content writer, marketing blog, writer portfolio, web content developer, web content development agency, or content creation guide. We're going to come over here and we're going to hit content creation guide as just the overall idea of the website we're going to be making. Hit next. What's the name of your business? So basically, for everything we do on this YouTube channel, we always do it under the Fixify how-to branding. We're going to do the same thing for this. Fixify-how-tos. Hit next. And you can change this at any point in the future. What are your goals for creating this website? Sell products, offer services, promote a business, promote myself, display creative work, collect leads, share knowledge, build a community, and just explore. So basically, depending on what you want, we could realistically do everything. So it's promote a business, myself, display creative work, which is the big thing we're going to be doing, share knowledge, and build a community. We're not going to worry too much about the sell or offer services because we are going to be doing that in a future tutorial. So stay tuned for that as well as subscribe for that. Hit next. What do you want to add to your business? A chat, an online store, a form. We're going to click that. Bookings, event, blog, portfolio, pricing plans, Instagram feed, a video, music, file sharing, groups, forum, online programs, table reservations, food orders, restaurant menus, and bands in town. We clicked up all the ones we want. So blog, portfolio, video, form, online program, chat, and forms. Let's click next. Now it's going to bring you to this page. Continue setting up your business in your dashboard. Let's click Go to Dashboard. Okay, and here we go. So this is the Fixify how-to dashboard / analytics page. So we are on the free plan. We do not have a domain yet, and we don't have a business email set up for this so far. Let's set up your store. We are 1 out of 5% completed. We updated your site type. We can connect a custom domain, which we are not going to do just yet. Design your website, publish your site, and get found on Google. So we're going to do the connect a custom domain when we go to publish our site. So let's come over here and hit design your site. How would you like to design your website? We could do let Wix create a site for you, customize a design template. Let's go and let's see how Wix does it. We could always come back to this later. Review and edit your info. So we could add up a logo, our name, our email, our address, and our phone number. Let's do that now. Okay, here we go. We can pick a theme. These fonts and colors will be used to design your website. You can always change them later. And you can see, and again, this is all going to be based on what you think looks nice. So for this one specifically, I think I'm going to go with the clay option just because I kind of like the bland colors. Hit next. Preparing your homepage designs. Give it a second. Pick your favorite homepage design. You can easily customize your colors, images, and more. We can see these are how they're all going to look like. And kind of see it does kind of do a little animation of it scrolling downwards. All right there. Personally, I think this last one looks the best with the darker colors with the brighter images. Let's click on that. Let's hit next. Preparing your homepage design. Now again, this is Wix going ahead and creating a template or creating a custom site for us. And from there, we can go in and edit and design anything we like from there. This is just the easiest way to do it other than going and picking out a, standalone template version. Congratulations, your site is up and running. Let's go to the editor or the dashboard. We're going to go to the editor so we can actually edit our website. And this is what it looks like, and this is how Wix does its layout. All the way up here at the very top, we have the Wix logo along with site, settings, developer mode, hire professional, and help, along with the upgrade, save, preview, and publish page. Now, this website builder does save everything automatically, or you can come up here and just do random save. So right here it says auto save is on, as well as you can go in and look at the site history. So say you want to go back to something that you did 2 hours ago and delete all other progress. Go over here, click exactly at the point you like it, and there you go. Along with the publish page. So the publish page will allow you to basically set this page to public. The preview page, which basically lets you view in as a viewer. Let's quickly click on that. And this is how it's going to look so far to other viewers. Now, up here, it does say upgrade your website to remove Wix ads. This is always going to be up for us. And then when it's not us, let's say it's a viewer, it will come up as made with Wix. So you will always have that up using the free version. Let's come up here and go back to editor. Now, this is the one little feature that I do think is very crucial and that I really do enjoy. Let's come up here and right next to the page/home, it gives you either the web version or the mobile version to see how it looks on both platforms. Let's click on the mobile version, and everything is optimized for both. And this is exactly how it's going to look. Meet your site on mobile. You can start customizing it here. Changes won't affect how your site looks on desktop, so you can edit it on both. Let's go back to the web version because that is what we're going to be specifically looking at today. Okay, and here you go. On the very side of the screen on the left-hand side, you have add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, content manager, and marketing and analytics. For right here, we're just going to go on add elements. And from here, we can see everything from text to images to buttons, strips, decorative, and so much more. The sections, you can add various sections to the specific page you're on. And pages and menus allow you to add many more pages. So right now we have a home page, a blog, a portfolio, and more. Now we are going to go and basically get rid of all the ones we do not want. So for here, we can get rid of the program list and get rid of the members list. And there we go. And anytime you want to edit a text, or let's say go on to the specific text's web page, we can go and click on it. We can hit right here. It says the navigate button, and that'll allow us to go to different site pages. So this is the home page. We can go directly to the blog page. There we go. The portfolio page. Here we are with that. As well as the forum page. And there we are. Coming back over to the home page, we could do everything from changing the text up here. We could hit the quick edit button, and that'll make everything nice and seamless for us to edit. So the paragraph, this is the Fixify how-to, or the paragraph / the name. Now from here, we can go and we can edit the welcome section to the introducing Fixify how-to. Let's make that a little bit bigger. There we go. Let's edit the text. And right here we have our text settings. So this is the header 2. The Play Fair display font. We can go and make the text bigger or smaller. We can make it bold, italic. We can underline it. We can change the color, the alignment. We can make it a bulletin point, or we could do effects. Now, I really like the effects because it allows us to spruce up the images, as well as we could do custom animations. Click up here with the animations button. And this is how it's going to be every time we load up the page. So we can either have it bounce in, glide in, fade in, float in, expand, or more. I like the fade in option and the expand option, but for here we're going to go with the fade in option. Now, similar to just clicking on and editing it, we can click on anything we want. So let's click on this take a look text and hit the delete button. And there we go. Now it's fully deleted. Now, I like doing the templates or the Wix AI customization website. Is everything is nice and laid out for you, and you don't have to do that much work as opposed to all these other places like Squarespace and all the other kind of website builders. Let's go down a little bit, and we can edit out the about page. And there we go. So about Fixify how-to, and I put a little description right there. And for all the photos, we can easily click on that, hit change images. It gives us all kinds of basic images, or we can click up here and hit add images. We don't have any images to use, so let's just use these as a blank slate. And right here we have the get your copy. So this is basically kind of like a downloadable section. So let's say we have a new blog post, we want them to download it, we could do that. The highlights page, so let's say this is our newest videos for the week, and this one can be Wix how-to, this one can be Wix advanced, this could be our display video, or our custom, or our advanced made channel trailer, along with some photos about our videos. Let's say someone wants to hire us to do a YouTube video. Say someone wants to hire us to make a how-to video for their website or their creator or their site. We can go and we could do that. Let's say if we had a designated location, we can go and pin that along with our blog post. Now, there's so much you can do with this site. It is insane. And basically, once you have everything you want, so basically, once you have everything how you like it, and you want to fully publish this website, come all the way up here to the publish button, hit publish. And congratulations, your site is published and live online. We can come up here where it says the URL. We can hit view site, as well as our own customized logo. So if you like what you've seen and you want to check out some of the product links we have listed down in the description box below, when you click on one of those links, when you click on one of those product links, we do receive a small commission, which helps the channel out greatly. Thank you guys also very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, like the video for more, and we'll see you guys next time. See ya.